Do you ever wish to create a very custom user interface? With Flutter, you have access to low-level paint calls. These are fast and efficient and let you build slick graphics. For example, the Material Ink Ripple effect is implemented using a circle. First, add a custom paint widget to your widget tree. Give it a size and a painter. Then implement your painter. It's a simple class that extends custom painter and implements two methods, paint and should repaint. The should repaint method is called when the custom painter is rebuilt. You can tell the framework to reuse the previous result of paint. The paint method is where you get your canvas and are free to draw. You can draw lines, rectangles, circles, arcs, paths, bitmap images, 9 patches, even paragraphs of text. And you have full control on how to paint these: colors, shaders, blend modes, and more. For more info on custom paint and all the other widgets, head to flutter.io.